Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys and my YouTube family. My name is Samra, and a little bit introduction of mine that my name is Samra and I have done graduation in biotechnology, and I'm gonna help you study and understand the biology, and I am here with the topic of introduction to biology class 9th. Let's start with the topics of today. Today our topic is to study the introduction of biology and to cover the main, or you can say the introductory of this paragraph or this biology book. Okay, let's start with the introduction. What is biology? Biology is a scientific study of life. Like you're gonna study the scientific study of the life, not just a normal study. From a scientific point of view, we're gonna study the life. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words. It is a combination of the two words bio and logos. Bios mean life and logos mean reasoning or thought. That you are gonna think that what is the meaning of life. In course of biology, we will study how man has thought about living things, like how we can study the living organisms, their structures, their function, and anything related to that. And study of living organism also provide information and remedies to human problem regarding health, food, environment. And when we study the living organisms, then we can also study then how we can utilize them for our benefits, for our problems like health, like food and environments. We are going to study the living organism for our benefits. So it is the study of living organisms. Let's jump to the second part, is the division and branches of biology. We have just started with the biology, the definition, and now we are moving toward the divisions and branches of biology. We have these three major branches of biology. It's called zoology, botany, and microbiology. The third main branch is zoology is a division of biology, deals with the study of animals. Zoology, zoo mean animals, so we are going to study the animals. Botany is a study of plants. The division of biology deals with the study of plants is called botany. Microbiology, micro means small, and biology means the thought and reasoning of life. So microbiology is the study of the small organisms called the microorganisms, such as bacteria, virus, or etc. In order to study all aspects of life, these divisions are further categorized or subdivided into the other branches. And this is morphology. What is morphology? It is the branch. It deals with the study of forms and structures of living organisms. That how they are formed, what is the structure of this organism, it is called the study of organisms, and it is under the morphology. Micromolecular biology or biochemistry deals with the study of molecules of life. What is molecule? It's water, protein, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid. These all are the molecules, and our bodies consist of these molecules: water, proteins, and carbohydrates. And when we are going to study these molecules, it is under molecular biology. And anatomy, the study of internal structure is called anatomy. Internal structure of any living organism is called anatomy. Histology, the microscopic study of tissue is called histology. And we're going to study the tissues, the molecules, the internal structures, the cells, each and everything later on. And the next is cell biology, the study of the structures and function of cells and cell organelles is called cell biology. We're going to study the functions, the structures of cells. In this branch is called cell biology. This branch also deals with the study of cell division. And the next is physiology. This branch deals with the study of function of different parts of living organisms. And the genetics, the study of genes and their roles in inheritance is called genetics. Genetics means the study of genes. Inheritance, we are going to study the inheritance in this as well. So inheritance means the transmission of characters from one generation to another, like from your ancestors to your next generation, the study of the characters that are gonna inherit by your generation. Embryology, it is the study of development of an embryo to a new individual. It's called embryology, the emerging or the emergence of a new life. Taxonomy, it is a study of the naming and classification of organisms into groups and subgroups. How we are going to classify the organisms by naming to the different groups and subgroups is called taxonomy. Paleontology, it is a study of fossils, which are the remains of extinct organisms. Extinct organisms like which are dead organisms by now, like the dinosaurs. They are the extinct organism nowadays. Environmental biology, you can guess by the name, the environmental means the environment. It deals the study of the interaction between the organisms and their environment, like how you are affecting your environment. Sociobiology, this branch deals the study of social behavior of animals that make societies. Like if you are living in a street, you are making a society over there. Parasites are the organisms that take food and shelter from living hosts and in return harm them. The parasites that which lives inside of you, and they got the food from you, and then in return, like they are harmful for you. Parasitology is a branch that deals the study of parasites that harms you. Okay, and the biotechnology, it deals with the practical application of living organisms to make substances for the welfare of mankind. Like we are going to use the DNA, we are going to use the different sequence of the DNA of the living organisms. We are going to use, and we are going to make a medicine or anything that can benefit us. Immunology is study of immune system of animals which defend the body against invading microbes, like a virus that is attacking you on your body, and you are not getting harm or anything because your immune system is active and it is invading the microorganisms. Entomology is a study of insects. Okay, and the pharmacology is a study of drugs and their effects on the system of human body. Like if you're taking any drugs and medicines, what are the effects of that drugs and medicine on your human body. Human population growth, infectious disease, addictive drugs, and pollution are the major biological issues today. The issues that we are facing nowadays, the challenges, you can say that, is the human population growth, which are just expanding by exponential form, infectious diseases, addictive drugs that is destroying our generation, and pollution is the major thing that we're gonna deal in biological issues. And I think so that other topic, relationship biology to other sciences, we're gonna cover in our next video. And just a review that what we have studied today as the introduction to biology. Okay, now you can understand what is biology. Study of the life, it's called biology of living organisms. And then we have studied the divisions and subdivisions of biology, three main: zoology, botany, microbiology, and after that morphology, anatomy, histology, cell biology, physiology, genetics, embryology, taxonomy, paleontology, environmental biology, sociobiology, parasitology, biotechnology, immunology, entomology, and pharmacology. This is the basic important question that can be asked by an examiner, that what is the classification of biology. Then you can simply go through from here, and in the next video we are gonna cover the other topics as well. So you can comment in the comment section and you can ask about the topics and the questions. Until then, Allah Hafiz.